Stay until the end of the video because today we're going to teach you how to make an amazing coffee dessert. First, grab a pan and add 700 milliliters of water and 200 grams of sugar. Give it a quick stir. Next, add 4 tablespoons of instant coffee. Stir until it dissolves in the water. Now, add 24 grams of unflavored gelatin. Stir to combine. That's perfect. Then prepare a greased glass dish with sunflower oil and pour in the mixture. We're going to refrigerate it for about 4 hours. Once it's set, cut it into cubes roughly this size. Next, in a blender, add 3 tablespoons of instant coffee, 250 milliliters of hot water, and 24 grams of unflavored gelatin. Blend for just 1 minute. Look at the consistency. This is the perfect point. Then add 200 grams of heavy cream, 200 milliliters of milk, and 395 grams of sweetened condensed milk. Blend for another minute. Perfect. Take a bundt pan and start by adding half of the coffee gelatin cubes. Set the other half aside for later. Now pour the blended mixture into the pan, but don't add all of it. Leave some space. Now add the remaining coffee gelatin cubes. Finish by pouring the rest of the blended mixture. Once your pan is ready, refrigerate it for about 12 hours. After waiting, unmold it and admire the result. Here's our creamy coffee jelly. Seriously, it looks amazing, right? As for the taste, we'll let you be surprised when you try it. But if you love coffee like we do, this dessert is going to be a hit. I think this dessert deserves your like, so click on the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more desserts like this. We hope you enjoyed it and we'll see you next time.